Spocket is a powerful platform that makes dropshipping easy for beginners. Once you create your account, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you start selling products efficiently. At the top, you'll find your personal account area and notification bar where you can manage your profile and see updates. Next, you can use the main search bar to look for products or explore entire product categories. This is where you can type any keyword to quickly find what you want to sell. On the side, there's a set of filters that let you choose where the products are shipped from and where they are shipped to. These filters are especially useful for selecting suppliers close to your customers, which can help reduce delivery times and improve your store's reputation. Below, you'll see a list of trending and popular products currently available on Spocket. These items are often chosen by other successful store owners and can be a great starting point when building your own catalog. The layout of the page is simple, organized, and easy to navigate, which makes the process of adding products to your store quick and straightforward. Overall, Spocket provides a very accessible way to start dropshipping without complications. By exploring the interface, filtering the right products, and choosing reliable suppliers, you can launch your dropshipping business in just a few steps. It's an excellent tool for anyone who wants to begin selling online efficiently and confidently. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.